Roland loves Cheerios. Just loves them. No, you're down to your last one. What are you gonna do? There's only one more. I don't think you've chewed any of those. You're storing them like a squirrel. Can relive the experience by taking them out of your mouth and putting them back in? Yeah? Would you like more Cheerios? Uh-oh. They're gone. What are we gonna do? Would you like some more Cheerios?
No.
All right. All right, that's it, Cheerio Fiend. That's it. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.